So today I woke up and said, enough is enough of these eyebrows. So I got these Sally Hansen wax strips, and I'm gonna see how they're gonna work on these brows because I can't keep going on like this. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time coming to Have Fun and Stay Fly with MyohMy. So today I woke up and said, enough is enough of these eyebrows. Like, I typically get them threaded every 2 weeks, but it's been like a month because of this pandemic. Can't go out and get my eyebrows done, and they bad. Like, it's terrible. Whoo, child. I'm about to try to do them on my own. So I got these Sally Hansen wax strips from Rite Aid, and I'm gonna see how they're gonna work on these brows because I can't keep going on like this. Now these are Insta wax strips, so it doesn't, like, you don't have to warm it up or anything. So they have different sizes, but these are the ones I'm gonna be using for my brows. And you peel it, and it's 2. I also have spoolie, some scissors because I may cut the strip in the shape that I need it, and a pen. Again, I've never tried this. The pen is going to be used to kind of mark where I need to cut it. We're going to see how this goes. So, all right. Clearly, you know, it's going to have to go down, but with the arch. So the first thing I'm going to do, because I want to get as close to this line as I can, but without going over, like, this is going to kind of make it hard to actually see where I need to go. So I'm just going to cut it just a little bit. I'm going to still leave some of the white, but it'll help me to kind of line it a little better. I'm nervous. All right, so I'm going to do 2 sections. I'm going to do this one, and I'm going to do this one. I may not have to use the pen to mark it off since I cut it. So, this is how it looks. Slowly peel it apart so you can use one for each brow. Be careful when you put it down because it's very, very sticky. Okay. I'm real, like, nervous about placing this. Let me go get my other mirror. All right, so I went to go grab this mirror, and then some of the wax pulled off because it got stuck on it. It's so sticky. But I need to get as close, up and close and personal as I can. I probably need a whole new strip. I done messed it up. Look at this. Because some of it stuck to the mirror. All right, so first I'm going to brush my eyebrows up. We'll spoolie them up. Up and over. I'm going to just trim. You see, like, this little hair? Just trim the little hairs at the top. Spoolie, spoolie. All right, and so really I just want to get up in here. I'm going to cut this strip in half. It's probably going to stick all to the scissors. But I need to work with little pieces at a time because I don't be playing. Here we go. So I have this little piece, and I'm going to do this section right here first. I need to be able to see, so. Oh, Lord, it's sticking to my eyelash. Okay. I'm just going to rub it down. And pray. All right, here we go. You kind of got to hold your skin and pull. Okay. You can see? Yuck. Got some of that off. All right, all right. Now I need to do this little piece right here. So I'm going to use this same strip only because only half of it was used the first time. And I'm going to cut, again, close to the white. But I'm going to leave some white on the end so I can have some space to pull. And you can see like the top does not have any hair on it. So I'm going to use that joint. Okay. This should get it. Just rubbing it in some. Pull your skin over. I think I need to pull it from this way. You're supposed to pull in the opposite direction that your hair is growing. And that did nothing. Oh, we got a little bit. I'm playing. Okay, hold up. Just dab it on this spot. Make sure not to touch any places that I don't want it to rip off. Dabbing it, dabbing it. Got a little more. Y'all, I'm playing because I'm scared. But, let me see. It's already looking better, I think. I may have taken a little bit too much off right here, but I'm going to even that out real quick. Alright, I'm going to try to even out where I took that piece off by lining this little bottom part right here. Y'all be careful with your lashes because my lashes are getting stuck to it. I hope this works. That took off nothing. All right. Let's try. Let's try getting what I missed right here. See if that helps. All right. So yeah, I took off some, but that's nothing that a little makeup can fix. Give me a second. Boom. Like I said, so you can already tell the difference between the two. I used some tweezers to pick out the excess hair. And then some of this top brow, filled it in a little bit. Good. At least down here is not as as it was. So now for the other side. This is the after with some of the hairs gone and some pomade on there. Just so it won't keep growing out. At least it's a way to maintain your eyebrows. Yo, this is nowhere near as good as it would look if I got them threaded. But this gonna do for your eyebrows not to have to look crazy. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you learned something. If you haven't done so already, please make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. Comment if you know some better ways to get your eyebrows in order while we are on quarantine. Please comment below and let me know. I will be happy for the suggestions, but this is what I found that works. Thanks.